ebusuafo memo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so na mesro so be subscribe to my channel faunsa mi abe on so ube a notification ensema ekoso wo mai mu bia obenye bi etie anase obenye bi ahwe ewo GCN page ha midin ede adwoa sechi ora Andy Kankam eye journalist na ono na osanso eye editor of the informal newspaper na ora Andy na okase ni sema okay na ne se aho Ghana journalist for amwo oman Ghana mu moye above the law moye above the law say omo be criticize mo say moye adibia enye anase mo kaka asem bia asem no echia kakra na say obi correct mo a mo fi say ebia obi e ka mo nkasa ahye mo yem anase obi empese de mo ye no mo be ye na eno na ura Andy eche say ono so ye journalist but opese o ka say Ghana journalist for amwo ha moye above the law say moye bone anase mo kan sem na say echia obi be correct mo anase mo be criticize mo na adofudenti a ura Andy e ka say na ne say enche bia na ura Sam Jonah ye ka Ghana fo mpanifo ani midifo ayentumi enyi ne film eba out ebe ka say eye NPP aban eye his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo eda no kame akoye say omo amembu no omo ebu o manga ne mu no culture of silence abeka ho a chese wo ye timamuni wo ye journalist wo ye hwanya ene wo kasa aka wo yem anase wasemi na aka wo tim untimi enka hwe e wo mamu because wo bie wano ha MPP for ebeba after you anase ene chese de omo de be yo no ompe e was ensem ni su ya journalist fi bi omo wo Ghana ha no anase radio stations ni bi say NPP for na NDC communicators no omo kosia na so omo ye discussion na se sa culture of silence ho ensem epiepe question on bisa MPP for ne say MPP for mo say culture of silence na enya adwuma wo man mu aka den na Captain Smart ekoka galamse ho sema omo man suspension efi ni radio station ho baby a oye adwuma na de a na eno na omo efre owura Andy Kankam ewo okay FM ade ache bia dwumedie so na omo bisa no culture of silence won sema ekoso ewo my Ghana mu na eno na o kire se culture of silence won seminar Ghana fo ekeka na se journalist fo ni bi ekeka no enya de yampa na mpo eyampempa a wo ye journalist aho anka mano won kan wasema na anasa wo ye journalist ade obeka bia na ye bia what radio so and TV so can some kra na woni se watch ya but obitini wa it doesn't mean say culture of silence ekoso ewo memu his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo so about out abeka say there's no culture of silence bia wo my Ghana mu because say culture of silence ewo ha no ma anka chese ende embofra empanimfo obi atumi fa cameras ni so edi atem edi Ghana from penifate ministers MPs including his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo nankasa say ade a culture of silence ewo menwa anka you dare not cry so obetwe cameras so say obedi his excellency atem na Nana Addo ne kasa mu e no sanso eche say ono culture of silence bi enu ho even journalist for no opoma sempa apede omo no because say obi ekobone na say one tin na ebia ohun anase de otwasa no onim se nachi achia into his excellency so about out abekana dwen say culture of silence no ura Sam Jonah ebekan no enya dia no kware bia ewum ne no na Kankam oye journalist esanso editor of the informal newspaper so about out abeka say Ghana journalist muyeko na moye above the law so be criticizing mo kasa na say ura Andy etudwa
to also clarify issues fair as we speak only 29 schools and now implemented double track and I believe sir they will face off this double track. Yes, the catcher no so in government institutions and even government they don't communicate or won't communicate. Whenever there are issues, they won't communicate to come and tell us what really they are not proactive in their communication. Near me can say, listen, when a pack somebody coming from academia should not be making such disparaging remarks about his colleagues at UTC. So many people say, so man penning deserve the award there. Thinking as a somebody man. Because why? Governing council. So you want to tell me that the governing council people they have no brains? The professors there, they have no brains. You shouldn't say that. He shouldn't say that. I mean, someone I can say is politically motivated, still as for. I mean, I'm a free SHS, whether you like it or not. Nanado, I've implemented wholesale free SHS. In this institution, we say, listen, let's recognize this achievement. What is wrong with it? What is wrong with it?
Bakwa, one more various are raising say, Annie, na say to me starting, but problems a woman now, no. Near my wood, you better walk one case, say you are free senior guy, so now, can a bind on now.
Committee, problem now, Bano. Omufa solutions to the that is why he's a deputy ranking member. Here, the solution better what the AMA committee no, for implementation. I better solve the problem. Because we are talking about the human resource base of this country. And the first point is what? Young SHS in secondary school. So if Dr. Clement Apak, they say you or your mampa or Jimpama Amagana, listen, the committee that is serving on whatever problem, solution, or problem, or challenge, also solution, then the committee will call the appropriate authorities, the Ministry of Education, any stakeholders, relevant stakeholders, and then together we will build this country. Say US. When major development projects are carried out, you have the right, sponsored by your tax. So they are telling you that you are part of the governance process. And yes, over canon for propaganda. Listen, the MPP will not be in power forever. But the NDC come out with what? Very constructive and solid policy alternatives. If it is for the normal propaganda there, listen, Ghanaians are very discerning. Kwame, apart the the culture of silence and sensational. Kwame, what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Means support institution be as a young central for teacher yefa baby. But also you can bear testimony to the fact that young crowd for be so when they engage in an ethical practice, they must also listen. Are we above the laws of this country? Are we above criticism? Kwame, are we above criticisms? Kwame, you know, it's a trite knowledge. You don't need a soothsayer. Topical. You see a host of shows. They sit on radio, they talk about the issues without having better understanding of the issues and the reasons. At the end of the day, if you are Muflobi and the person is so resourceful and trying to push them, to bring out the relevant issues now, they will end up ranting and insulting people. Kwame, don't we have evidence of how people assassinate in Nkrofo character? Yes, and Nkrofo. Yes, 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 in as much as constitutional, what the governance process, Listen, sometimes you must eat the humble pie when we fall foul or we go contrary to the practice. So if the president is saying, sir, listen, sir, more central for more criticizing now abiding so impending for and now officials a year now. I don't think that it amounts to stifling the press. No, we must be prepared to also accept the criticisms in good faith. Meaning, some media houses, and now listen, you must retract and apologize for Why should we think that can crofasem, in Crawford, young Crawford be to meet Sarah so assassinating Crawford character. Master, is that a way to conduct ourselves? I will not support government officials trying to, let me say, gag us. No, it won't happen. We will not allow it. But we should be very decent in the discharge of our duties. That is the only way. That is the only way, because contrary to Suna, Assembly can attempting as for. Now, Abansu, for spokesperson on Baba Yama. I don't think that this Africa about challenges. Yes, we all know that this free SHS now. It was a painful decision. And not only now by some by implemented. Challenges, yes. And we're now you can now among China infrastructure at least in be Kwame. Udi also infrastructure, you know, and this is first view. And so what should we do? I mean, if we say we are learning from other democracies, after elections come together as a nation, the problem will all solve it because we constituency. And yeah, NDC for one or MPP for NDC for or PMP or money have for fair SHS. And so, what do we do collectively to help the process? And it's okay challenges, but I think there's somebody coming from the academia. You should also prefer some alternatives or some solution as to how we overcome the challenges. In that regard, I think that you will be making some meaningful contribution. But to say it for the normal razzmatazz and propaganda purposes, I disagree with him. He's a good brother. I mean, I respect him. But sometimes Neman will be our canon. In the supreme interest of the Republic of this Ghana and in the interest of the people of this country, I disagree with him. One, come to the germane issue of the Onana Omolie Omampeni. Why? He's the last person to say he will insult the intelligence of a governing council or his colleagues in academia. That's why they have no brains. That President Ayebibi no musu ye mano awarda yes sene munyamwa. I mean, so if he unqualified and say the man krampa because of the presidency, it's attacking his colleagues, PhD holders, professors. They don't have sense, and they cannot say no. In any case, always degree awards. What is done in somebody's to recognize the effort.
101.7.
And I'm a boy. It's free ukwa bakwasem echina omusi one pension on your certificate teacher Kwame free SHS one in the best
BTO
Kwame free SHS me busa question one in the best implement here and then when we want to talk about person na say free SHS
oba say was a would see one kasa party NDC na wo mo say adie no nka enye in a gradual process we starting with that quantum leap na
Kwame ye kan but yes ye kan almost on by because as I say will be a benefit into more challenges. You know, the last time I had the opportunity to engage on one of the networks, the deputy director for education in charge of complaints or something like that. Listen, people say, check Sami Mayano, double track regarding the session, and then just double track. Also, yes, because of the way I'm moving, but you make a credit to Ochima, and then he took the opportunity